Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Eric. If you're new, please subscribe. On today's video, we're going to be installing a Cusco tow hook on my Evo 10. So next month, there is an event at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, and it's the Vegas Cup, and I want to get this thing out on the track. So in order to do that, I got to have tow hooks on the front and back. So that's what today's video is about. We're going to be installing that tow hook on the rear of the car, and I got to fab up a custom bracket for it in order for this Cusco tow hook to go in. So right here is the tow hook that we're going to be installing on the car from Cusco, Japan. This one is a universal one. They do make one specifically for the Evo 10, but my car's a little bit different, so I'm just going to fab something up. I did a little prefab work to make this little bracket right here, and I'll definitely pretty it up, but just for test fitting purposes, we're gonna put it onto the chassis and then make sure that this tow hook will go through here.
So I've bolted this up where the old crash beam would have been mounted to. So that's where this bracket's gonna go, and that hole there is where the tow hook will go. So just gotta drill a hole through there and then weld this nut onto that bracket there. So I got the bracket all cleaned up and prepped for a tack weld. I got a little notch right there, a little spot where I'm gonna line up the nut. You can see, focus. Right on that corner I have another notch. And that's basically where I'm gonna line up right there. And I'm gonna do my tack weld and get this thing on the plate. Alright, for my first time doing something like this, I'm okay with this. Definitely not Instagram welds, but it'll work. It'll hold the tow hook on. See it mounted. It's not going nowhere.
All we have to do now is pretty that thing up. Now you know I can't leave it red. It's got to go with the classic Carolina blue paint. So let's get to that. So the tow hook, it turned out really good. I'm happy with the results on this thing, and the color match is pretty close. Let me show you real quick. Maybe hard to tell on camera, but you can definitely see it's a pretty close color match. That's gonna be a wrap on this video, guys. If you liked it, smash that like button and make sure that you're subscribed. I've got more content coming up. Next video that I got coming out, I'm gonna be upgrading the oil cooler on this Evo 10. So be sure to stay tuned for that. All right, till next time, guys.